Ratchet.
Hello, this is Nurse Bobby. Thank you for watching this video and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I am going to briefly document my my newness, as you will, into the stock market. I am very new. I have prior to dabbling a little bit with a few stocks as of recently. I mean, within the past couple weeks, I am extremely new at trading stock. I've decided to make a decision and go ahead and place a couple orders into a stock called JNUG. I've done some research in the JNUG. This video isn't about doing research so much as it is to document my long-term investment into the stock. I basically, like I said, I'm a new stockholder, and the trading platform I'm using, as you can see here, is TDAMERITRADE. This is just a documentation to find out what will happen to my money, which I have just a little under $1,000 invested. I had 900 and something worth of stocks invested into the JNUG. I'm going to go into my account and show you the orders that I've placed. This most recent order was for 86. I purchased 86 stocks at for JNUG at $5.76. And keep that number in mind, 576. That's how much I bought it for. Prior to that, I purchased 22 on December 30th. The 86 that I purchased was January 3rd. December 30th, I purchased 22 at $6.94. And prior to that, these were canceled. They didn't go through because, as I told you, I'm new, and apparently I didn't know what I was doing when I was trying to purchase them, or I was trying to purchase too many. I believe that was it, because these say 25. I was trying to purchase, then I tried 24, then I tried 22, and that finally went through. And on December 28th, I purchased 10. This is when I, prior to that, I actually purchased some stock at a really low price at 4, and see, at 4.67, and I sold them. How stupid was that? Because now the stock is close to $7. This was only like a little over a week ago, not even 2 weeks ago. It was at 4. Now it's close to 7. Like I said, I know nothing about JNUG. I know nothing about stocks. The video isn't to convince you to buy JNUG or to give you any information at all on how the stock market works. Again, this is a documentary to basically document what's going to happen to my $900. The reason I purchased the JNUG, as I said, I've done some research. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but with President Trump being elected, there's a lot of optimism for the future as far as which direction we're heading. On top of that, Trump is a businessman. I figure, why not combine a gold stock, which JNUG is a junior gold stock, with a president who is a businessman. And there is a lot of optimism. Of course, Democrats may see it differently, but still, the fact is he's a businessman. I decided to purchase the JNUG to complement the business aspect of the president's future potential. And one other thing to note, I purchased this December 28th. I purchased this under a market price, um, which I wasn't sure again what I was doing. Apparently, the market price is when you purchase the stock, you're guaranteed the price at the that you're purchasing it for, or no, you're not guaranteed the price. You are not guaranteed the price. So this 461 over here could have went up to 480 by the time I hit the button. Um, so when I selected market, that I bought it for what it was at that very second. That very second. These are limit orders, which means that I placed the order um, to purchase the stock when it hit that limit. Um, I'm not sure if I would want to go back in and set these so that now that it's at a higher price so that it doesn't drop below a certain limit. Um, I'm not exactly sure how to do that. If anybody has any tips on how to do that, as I said, this isn't a tutorial on how to purchase stock. know absolutely nothing about it. This is only a documentary to find out what's going to happen to my $1,000 once after 6 months, after a year from now. I'm not gonna quick trade these, do any daily type trading. I'm gonna let them sit in here for as long as I can. Um, I did some math. I have between the three different purchases, I have 118 um, pieces of stock, and I multiplied 118 if the stock were to go up to $200, this gold stock, my $1,000 can turn into $23,600. Um, I'm just gonna do a quick 118 times 100, even if it reaches 100. It's I'm gonna potentially gain $11,800, and just for giggles, I'll do 118 times 300. It's not. This stock has gone up to 300 in the past, and I could potentially look at $35,000, $35,400 from this $900 stock purchase that I made. And of course, I could potentially risk losing it. I need to figure out if I have a stop limit to where it doesn't go below a certain price. I don't know how to do that. As I said, if anybody knows how to do that, feel free to give me a comment down below. I am going to call TD Ameritrade tomorrow and ask them how I do that, if I can still do that. I don't know if I can change my options now that I bought the stock. But let me just have you take a look at the trend. This is a 2-day trend. Let me see. Let me go back to 3 days, which when I purchased the last stock, um, it was somewhere around here. It was like five something. This was 3 days ago. Um, so now the stock is already above $7. So apparently I made a fairly good investment, um, and hopefully it'll pan out for the long term. Again, I am a new trader. This is not a tutorial on how to buy or sell stock. If anybody has any pointers for me, please let me know, and uh, give me a comment down below. This is Nurse Bobby. I want to thank you for watching my video, and I'd appreciate those pointers. Anybody can give me any tips or pointers. And again, watch out for any future videos I have. Thank you for watching, and thank you for stopping by. And good luck in your future trading. Take care. and Happy New Year.